May we all stand for a prayer? You may now take your seats. Let me check your attendance first. Make sure that you are in proper seats so that you will not be marked absent. Very good. Everyone is present for today. Now, before we start, let's have first a review of our previous topic. Do you still remember our lesson last meeting? What have we discussed? Yes, exactly. We made use of latitude and longitude in locating different places on Earth. What is the relationship between latitude of a place and the climate it experiences? Yes, very good. To start our new lesson, I will be showing you a video which entitled It's More Beautiful in the Philippines.
Fasten your seatbelts. We'd like to invite you on a magical tour of the Philippines.
Yes, very good. What are the things you have observed in the video? Yes, our country is bountiful in natural resources, starting from the varied physical features down to the diverse plants and animal forms. Now, talking about how lucky we are in the Philippines to have such things, what can you associate with the word resources? Yes. Based on your answer, we can define resources as things used by people in order to survival or satisfy needs. So anyone there who wants to give examples of resources? Yes, Lumbab. Very good. Resources such as air, water, plants, animals, soil, rocks, minerals, and other fossil fuels, sunlight, and wind are considered as natural resources because they are already available in the nature. Since we are talking about resources, Philippines as an archipelago is considered to be rich in natural resources. So let's name our natural resources in the country. Very good. We are blessed with the presence of the different water forms. What are these water forms? Yes, the bays, the rivers, lakes, falls, gulfs, straits, and swamps are water forms. What is the importance of this? Yes, Kaidan? Very good. These bodies of water support the survival of the diverse organism for food as well as for the economic activities. The presence of water in a specific environment is said to be accountable for supporting high biodiversity in that our biodiversity means the presence of various plants and animals live in a particular habitat. So can we name the some plants and animals we can find in our country? Yes, very good. Those species that you have mentioned are all common. So since our country is rich also with biodiversity, Philippines is considered to be the home of endemic species. When we say endemic species, these are species which can be found only in a certain area and not in any other places. So, what endemic species do you know which exist only in the Philippines? Yes, Fernandez. Precisely, the tamaraw, tire shear, and mouse deer. So where can we find them? Yes, the tamaraw is in Mindoro, the tarsier is in Bohol, and the mouse deer is in Palawan. We have also minerals deposits in our country. What are the minerals that you know? Yes, the cold copper, etc. So our Philippines minerals deposits are classified as either metallic or non-metallic. Where do we usually use metals? Yes, in soft drinks industry, at home, in school, farm, and other places. Minerals deposits can be found where volcanoes or ridges are present. We have many volcanoes in the Philippines and most of them are active as we already know. So can you name some of the famous volcanoes? Yes. Because of the presence of numerous volcanoes in our places, our country belongs to the Pacific Ring of Fire. Aside from that, we have also energy resources. What are some of these? So, we have the solar system. So, we have already familiarized ourselves with the natural resources within our country. So, today, we are going to brainstorm on how people destroy the natural resources. Now, I want everybody to group by 6. In the count of 5, you should be seated with your group. Then select a group leader, a secretary, and 2 representatives or reporter of your individual groups. So after performing the activity, may I request all groups to paste the work on the board. Anybody who has a question to the group? Very good. As we can see, natures provide us with rich natural resources, which are of great benefits to us. In return, let us protect and conserve the richness of the country's natural resources. So let's evaluate you all, class. Direction. Get 1/4 sheet of paper. Answer the following question on the board. Give at least brief answers. Here for your assignment, you make a slogan showing how to protect and conserve our natural resources. You put it in a cartolina and make it presentable and artistically to the class. That's all for today, class. Thank you.